simple salad I made for you this evening. Cucumber and tomato and black olive and spring onion mixed up together. I know you guys will love this one. It's a very simple recipe and I decided to share it with you guys. Anyway, enjoy the recipe. It's coming up to Thanksgiving Day. You can make this at the side for Thanksgiving Day recipe. We got Thanksgiving. You know what, Ben? I even have turkey recipe coming up for you guys. So look out for a lot of stuff on the YouTube channel. So please stay tuned, log on, and don't forget. Basically, as I can see, I have some leftover turkey right here, guys. Really nice and lovely. All right, so I'm gonna make a turkey salad. First of all, some spinach. That's my turkey right there. Put some spinach inside of it like this, and also I have some mixed leaf. Just Chef Ricardo salad bar. Then we got some tomato, cucumber, and some olive left over. After Thanksgiving Day, that's what happened. Then some spring onion. And some cucumber. Nice and lovely. All I'm going to do is just put a little bit of dried chili, because I love my chili. Also a little bit of pepper. Nice. This is looking lovely. Let's fold it up like this with the turkey and everything. Look at this nice lovely turkey meat. Get the turkey and everything. So you know when you have your turkey roast, look at that nice lovely turkey, guys. Amazing. This is just really amazing. Alright, so that's exactly what we're talking about. This is leftover turkey salad. Really lovely and nice. I want you guys to just enjoy that one. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments in the description box. Take a good look at that. That is fantastic. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Follow me and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell, guys. Very important.